So how to change Wizz Air flight date. So to go ahead and change the date on your Wizz Air flight, it's fairly straightforward and you can do this on the Wizz Air app. So if you haven't got the Wizz Air app, I'll leave a link below in the description to go ahead and download it for both Apple and Android. Then once you've downloaded the Wizz Air app, you simply want to go ahead and sign in. And once you've signed in, you should come across your Wizz Air dashboard, which will look something like this. And right where the arrow is pointing on screen, you should see your upcoming flight details for your already original booked flight. So as you can see in our example, we've got a flight from London Luton to Budapest that is currently departing on Monday 17th of August. So to go ahead and change it, just select your booking. And once you've selected your booking, it should open you up to this page here. And you simply want to select More right at the top here. Then from there, it opens you up to this menu option here, and you simply want to select Change Flight. Then once you've done that, it will just bring you through to this page here, which contains some important information. So if you are set on changing your flight date, just give this a read, make sure you understand everything. And if you're happy to confirm it, you can tick the option that says I confirm right here, and then click Continue. Then on the next page, you'll get a list of everyone on your booking. So as you can see on our booking, there's 2 people. So if you want to go ahead and change the flight date for both people, you can go ahead and select both. And then once you've done that, click Continue at the bottom. Then once you've done that, it opens you up to this page here. So it just reminds you that you can change any flight details 3 hours before departure. But obviously keep in mind that there will be additional costs to change your flight date. And the only exception to that is if you bought WizFlex. So if you're happy with that, click Change Flight. And then from there, you can then go ahead and select the flight you want. So if you want to go ahead and change the destination, you can do it where the arrow is pointing on screen. But if you just want to change the times, if you select the timing option here, you can then go ahead and change the time that you wish to fly. So as you can see here, our booking departs on the 17th and lands on the 20th. So let's just say we wanted to go 1 week later, which would be the 24th to the 27th. So if we go ahead and select that, and then select OK at the bottom, it will then update the date for you, and then you can go ahead and select Search Flights right here. Then once you've done that, you will now get a list of all the flights that depart on your new chosen date. So you can go ahead and decide which one you want. So for example here, let's say we want the 8:30 one. We'll go ahead and select it, and then select Next from there. And then same again, if you've got a return flight, you can go ahead and change the date of your return flight as well, and select the one you want. So for example here, let's say we want the 6 AM one, and select Next again. Then on the next page, you'll get a list of the passengers again, and if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and select Next at the bottom. Then from there, you can then go ahead and make any baggage changes if you want, but if you're happy with what you've already got, you can go ahead and select Next at the bottom. Then once you've done that, you can then go ahead and select your seat, but this is completely optional for now, as you'll get the opportunity to select seat at check-in. So if you go ahead and select Next again, you'll then be asked if you want any additional services, but if not, you can go ahead and select Next at the bottom. And then final step, you can then go ahead and pay for your changed flight date. And it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.